front camera and I know the audio quality will suck and there will be no optimization. I don't think the audio will be able to pick up. You see, let me walk. This is shit, I think, and I will not be able to speak louder than this. This feel awkward also. This feel awkward. And how long I will be able to vlog like this? Let's see. And this is back camera. I think the audio will not be good. There are no vehicles right now, but there will be twice, I believe. There is no screen, so I can look directly into the camera. And it's been a very long time since I got cold or sick, and I think the only reason is because I walk like this all the time, at least 4 to 5 days in a week, minimum 3 days, and I walk mostly alone, so because of that I don't talk. I know the field is not wide and there are lots of loud noise. I'm using a mic. I don't know what the quality of the sound will be. I think it will be a little better than the default mic. I hope so. But the only way to see the difference is by listening to it back and forth. This is without the lavalier mic. Let's see the quality of the sound. Yes, without the mic. And now this is with the mic turned attached to it. I don't think there will be any difference. The traffic has stopped a little bit, but we will see. I didn't know that this vehicle will produce lots of sounds, especially on my videos, because I'm not using a dedicated, what to say, point to shoot mic also. But I thought there will be less people here, and this is, I think, the third or fourth time I'm walking here alone. Not alone. This is first time walking alone, and there are monkeys. You see. Oh. They might be threatened, and I don't want to threaten them. They might grab my phone. I hope they don't. You see, monkeys. And banana sellers is there. So as I was saying, I don't get sick because I walk like this all the time, at least 3 to 4 days. And so Because of it, I don't get sick, and it's a good exercise. I don't need to run. Running is actually bad for our joint and knee, and yeah, it's all right if you are running for it only 1 minute. If you are like running too fast, like if someone is chasing you, or you are chasing someone, or the lion is chasing you, or tiger is chasing you. I see. What is this? Good. This is a good content. Everything is seems producing sound. Maybe it's because I'm vlogging for the first time like this. And here is the rich jungle. Wow. You don't get this much similar areas in Delhi because this is Delhi University. Pedestrian crossing, and if you're walking, just don't walk very fast, just walk slowly like I'm doing right now. Brisk walk is also injurious to health, and it's not good. It's actually injurious to the soul. And just walk like this, enjoy the view, and for God's sake, don't go to the gym and walk on the treadmill, or run on the treadmill. That is disgusting. That's my opinion. And actually this is good. I think I should come here often. Maybe not. I feel too lonely also. Someone might grab my phone. I don't think it will happen, but this is good. Monkey stole the banana. You see, stolen banana. And here is one. What the fuck? Big bunch of banana was stolen. This will happen, and there is one walking with me. I think he realized that I'm filming. Maybe not. Hey, you piece of shit. I hope he doesn't take my camera, my phone. Yeah, I didn't realize that there will be a lot. You see the wow. Can you see it? And there are also one. I'll sit here for a while and make some videos of monkeys. Yes. They are very strong, and they are wild because this is wild forest. You can see they are wild. Okay, so as I was saying, because of walking all the time, I don't get sick, I don't even get cold. That's all. It is not that interesting, but I'm just filming. That's not far from me. Let me zoom a little bit. Yes, he's eating something. The monkey is eating something. Scary also because there are lots of them here. You see all around. You see monkey, and this big one also. People are actually running at this time of the day. It's like, I think, 11:30 now, but the weather is fine. Now the great weather of Delhi finally arrived. If you want to see the birds of Delhi, I know why I entered this place. This is my university. Hey, little squirrel. Today is Sunday, so only squirrels and me. And this is the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji. I need a wide angle lens. Vlogging is not cool, I think, without a wide angle lens, but I'm not ready to upgrade to a newer camera. I'll just vlog with this using my phone, of course using the rear camera, because I need OIS, optical image stabilization. Otherwise it's too shaky. Let me show you the garden and everything. You see, it's the BC and this is the garden. Isn't it beautiful? I always used to do like this when I walk, like this. It's good. There is a fountain here. It will be on and there is one dog sleeping. Let's not disturb him. Let's just walk. You see, taking a walk is very good for health, because we humans have been doing. It is quite here, so I will make a video for a while. We humans have been doing for millions of years, and running is not natural. We humans never did marathon. It is only modern things. So walk, and of course if your life if your work doesn't demand any walking, you need to walk. And if you are a delivery boy, or if your work involves lots of walking, you don't need to do walking. For me, I stay, so I need to walk. I stay all the time in the room, so I need to walk. That's all. This view is pretty good. Actually, this place is not like this all the time. Today is Sunday, that's why it's empty, and exams are coming up for the kids. That's why we don't see anyone from the hostel also. That building is good. That's the BC office. I walk like 10,000 steps, 6,000 steps, it doesn't matter, but at least I need to walk for 6,000 steps, because my current phone, Samsung, the inbuilt pedometer, the default is 6,000 steps. So yesterday actually I walked more than 15,000 steps for about 2 hours, because I was just walking. And today I might walk for about 1 hour at least, but I will be outside for at least 3 to 2 hours, I think. I have walked here many times but never block these trains. You can see the view. I have walked many times here because I study here, but never did vlogging like this. And there's a big park here behind me, as you can see. We are going to enter it, don't worry. Speaking of which, let's enter it now. It's a big park, and this too is empty because it is Sunday. Kids are playing. Do you want to see the Buddha temple? Let's not go. I have seen it more than 1,000 times. Let's see it from here. This is good content, turning out to be good content. I didn't expect this. I was not actually planning to come here also. And that is my department of anthropology. You don't need to know also. I've sat here more than 1,000, maybe I'm exaggerating, but I have sat here many times with friends, alone, when I do walking in the evening or like this. And that is my department. It's a good department. It's an heritage building and cannot be modified now. It will be as it is, and it is closed today because, as you know, today is Sunday. Let's not enter our department, but let me film, actually show it that this is my department. Not even the guard is present here. Yeah, this is my department. Hello. Okay, now enough of it. It looks very empty. Otherwise there will be lots of cars parked here, two-wheelers. And this is strange. It's been a long time I'm not here, and they put this, it was not there. And this is the library, and the library is also not open today. No one. Looks like what? Russia. I've not been to Russia and I'm saying it looks like Russia. Oh. You see, I'm walking like this. I don't even wear shoes. I think I should block and walk. When I walk, I should always block. I'm not going to go to interesting places, but I need to block. I will just block it. That is hand is tiring. Spanning. And that is the zoology department. And that is Office of Faculty of Science. It's a new office. It's been like this, yeah, for last 7-8 years, I think. Let's not turn this into the visit of university video. I'll show you. There are parakeets here. Always the parakeet will sit here doing their parakeet things. Hey, squirrels. Oh, squirrels. You see? And this is the back entrance to the park. This is Harvard Garden. And in a minute I'll show you beautiful birds. Peacocks also here, but peacock is not, I'm not seeing it today. You see, can you spot it? Let me zoom, you see. I think it's a parrot. Maybe not, I don't know. It has a long tail. Let me zoom it a little bit. Hey parrot, look at me. Look at me. I think it's parrot. I don't know. Parrot and parakeet are same to me. Maybe they are the same family. Whatever. It's nice parrot. Where are you? Where are you? And there is kite also. Can you see it? And of course crows also. If you want to see parakeets or peacocks, come here. Not peacocks, parrots. I think I was saying peacocks all the time. Actually, there are peacocks also. Sometimes you'll see that tall tree. Inside this park, there are peacocks. Peahen or peacocks, whatever is it. There are two more here. One is here. Another one is there. I think they are couples. Look at me, baby. One is hiding, looking at me also. There is one. Okay, boy. Yeah, yes, sing to me. I walk here all the time, most of the time. This is the place that I walk. I walk anytime, mostly this time or in the evening, but mostly from 11 to 2. It is early, that's why mostly it is closed. This is where I walk all the time. Front camera sucks. And for more videos, hit the black button.
छुट्टी में यार काम बैलेंस खराब होता ही है ना। बंद कर देगा, चलाने का होगा चलाएगा ही लोग। या तो वो महीना लास्ट करके जाऊंगा, वो महीना लास्ट करके जाऊंगा।
ये महीना आता कब?
चाय बना रहा।